Oh, what it do, guys? It's your boy Merril. Today, finally getting into my Telfar bag unboxing. Man, I've had these bags for months. Since July, I've had these bags for months right here in these boxes. The shit that I had to go through, that we, the Telfar gang, had to go through to get these bags, man. Shout out to all my Telfar gang, my Telfar bestie. You know who you are. Whew. So finally, I'm getting to this reaction. I'm settled in my new place. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. Like, it's unboxing. I'm so excited. Finally getting into my black owned bag. Okay. Let's see. Open this up. And I got 4, by the way, so we're gonna see which one this one is. Cause it's uh-oh. I know which one this one is. Ooh, look at this. Come up with a little bag. This is cute. Okay, yeah, I'm really liking this bag. It's cute. It's like a cloth type of material. Little drawstring, little vibe. Okay, that's real cute. Ooh. Ah. Y'all see? This is a 10 mini. Look at this. Oh, finally. I have to name my babies. My babies. Can see that. This is fire. Okay. Ooh. Hold on, let me try to open it for y'all. So y'all can kind of see like the inside. It has like, that's what the price tag is like that, but it has like, I don't know if y'all can see. Like y'all see like the tag, a nice quality tag. This is a nice bag, has like a little clasp where you can clip it together with the drawstring. I mean not drawstring, the what you call that? Crossbody type of vibe with the strap, or you can hold it. This is cute. Okay, so we got a 10. Let's put that back in there. What else is in here? Oh, that's just a paper. Let's get into the next one. Okay, I know which one this one is. Let's see. I got the emblem on the bag as well. You see that? You know that's Telfar. Okay. Look at this. Pretty bitch ENT, okay? Look at this oxblood. Look at that. It's rich in color. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Just gives me like blood and love and just like, I'll take your man. Damn right. Okay. Yes. Hold on. Let's open them up. Check him out. Okay. Cool. So you know this is the Oxblood Mini for those of you who don't know. Same vibe. You know we got the straps and all that. Oh, before I go any further, let me just shout out to Kaibentlee. He got this brand, like, he be doing like merch and shit like that. He's like a YouTuber or an influencer, I guess, whatever. But he got like some fly ass merch, and this is, I don't know if y'all can see that. Strawberry jams with like a lot don't. Okay, y'all know how I get down, so just shout out. You are losing your mind. Okay, so this is the last box. And this is the heaviest box, so I'm expecting 2 to be in this one. Mind you, I have not opened these yet. I've had them since July, so it's like, I know people were like, you had these bags this whole time? I was like, yes, because I was waiting till the right moment to film, you know, to film this, so. Oh, there's, I know which one of these ones are. This is like a little pack list. Which one is this one? They got the color labels on them, so I know which one this one is. Oh, this is, I can already see it. Look at this. Snapped. The Navy. Better yet the Army. Better yet the Navy. This is fire. It's like rich too. Like rich in color. We got all the little same features. Little tag. Little snap clothes, you know. This is the Navy mini Telfar bag. Okay, cute as fuck. Y'all see I got all like earth tone, like muted colors. You know, I'm a nigga, so I wasn't trying to be having fucking yellow and whatever. But yeah, cute as fuck. I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of use out of this one for sure. Cause it's like the darkest one. Let's get into the last one. Okay, last but not least. I'm like a kid in the candy store. It's like Christmas. The cream. Cookies and cream, peaches and cream, cookies and cream. Okay, y'all see my cream Telfar bag, mini, what's happening? Yes, fly as hell. All same features as the other 3. Ooh, this is really cute inside. So I just love like how it's just all this rich tan color, or cream color I should say, because I already have a tan. The tan is darker, but now this cream is fire. And I'm going out today. Gonna go, you know, have a little vibe, going to the zoo. So I'm like, definitely gonna take this with me. For sure. This is cute as hell. Definitely rocking this one today, for sure. But yeah, I'm glad y'all rocked with me finally. I know y'all been waiting. I've been waiting to finally get this. So hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all support all the Black-owned businesses out there, especially Telfar. Y'all know these bags are like Black luxury. So y'all go ahead and support all the Black-owned brands, Telfar, etc., etc. And I'll see y'all in the next one.